Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. We posted the teardown and charging review of the Apple 35W compact charger and recently found some fake 35W chargers. Today we're going to take them apart and test their performance to see the differences between them. Start from the appearance. It looks like those two fake chargers are very similar to the real one on the right. But flip it to the back. The fake charger on the left has significantly longer input prongs than the other two, and there is an obvious gap at the bottom. From the side, the fake charger in the middle is thicker than the other two, and the middle part between the two prongs is darker. And from the other side, the oval hollow of the first fake charger is deeper than the original charger. The hollow of the second fake charger is even a circle instead of an oval. Dual USB-C ports are slightly different. Next, let's test their actual size. The first fake charger is about 49 by 49 by 28.5mm, and the second fake charger is about 50 by 50 by 32mm. And finally, the original charger is about 49 by 49 by 28.5mm. And then the weight of the first fake charger is 85 grams, the second fake charger is 86 grams. The original charger is 105 grams, much heavier than the fake charger. After the brief introduction, let's test their charging performance in detail. Firstly is the ripple test. Most chargers adopt switching power supply currently. There will be ripples in the output current. The lower ripple means better quality. The output voltage of the original charger is pretty stable, only 78 mV peak-to-peak. But the ripple of the other two fake chargers is 134 and 128 mV peak-to-peak. Next, the conversion efficiency. The charger is essentially a conversion device, so energy will be lost in the process of converting AC to DC. The higher efficiency means better quality. The conversion efficiency of the original charger is 87%, while the other two fake chargers are 78% and 76% respectively. Next, let's test the power consumption when plugged in. We can use the power meter to test it. The no-load power consumption of the original charger is only 0.08 watts, and the no-load power consumption of two fake chargers is 0.6 watts and 0.5 watts, which is way more than the original one. If the charger is not grounded, there will be a small amount of current leakage, which is also the electric shock when we touch the MacBook. So we also test this. The current leakage of the three chargers is all within the safe range, but the original 35W charger is the best, only 0.08 milliamp. Then we also test its maximum temperature. We'll put all three chargers into a 25°C thermal tank throughout the test and let it run for an hour. And firstly, the maximum temperature of the original 35W charger is 59.6°C. Then the maximum temperature of two fake chargers is 60.7°C and 60.5°C. Many audiences are curious whether the charger can still be used if it falls on the ground. Next, we drop the charger from 1 meter and repeated the test. After 3 tests, the original charger works fine, but one of the fake chargers cannot be used anymore because the module inside has been separated from the shell. After the above tests, we took apart those chargers, and the internal structure is quite different. The PCBA module of the original charger is highly integrated, and the high-end components have been perfectly insulated and protected. Compared with the original one, the internal structure and components of those two fake chargers are very simple. Both chargers have added small iron blocks to make them heavier, and they also lack insulation and protection, which might increase the risk of short circuits. And finally, the fire retardant test. If the short circuit happens, the outer case should reduce the probability of the fire hazard. But obviously, the first charger couldn't do it. It cannot stop the fire from spreading and burn out completely. If you're using a charger like this, it may cause a pretty serious fire hazard. The second fake charger is better than the first charger, but there is also a big hole after burning out. It might hurt you if you hold it. And the original 35W charger is also the best. The casing material can stop the flame spread, protect the user, and prevent accidents. But this is not something we can judge when we buy it. Well, that's all tests we made for those 3 chargers, and you can clearly see the differences between the original and the fake Apple 35 fast charger. We recommend buying original chargers or well-known third-party chargers instead of fake ones. Please drop a like and subscribe to us if this video can help you to make the purchase decision. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!